Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to use our brand new customer portal. Today we'll be walking you through step by step on how to create, view and manage your tickets. First, begin by opening your browser and typing in kogo.deskdirector.com. If you've not signed in before, you will need to add your company email address and click Forgot Password. Then simply click Email me a password reset. You'll then receive an email with a link prompting you to set a new password. Once you've created a password, click Login Now and you'll be directed back to the login page. Enter your details and click Login. If your email is not in our system, then you can simply send a login request to helpdesk@kogo.co.uk and we'll get one set up for you. Once you're in, you'll be able to see all your current open tickets by clicking on the left Open Tickets tab. Depending on your permissions, you can also have the option to see all open tickets within your company by clicking on the All Open Tickets tab on the top left. You can click on any ticket and view all the details. You'll also be able to type in any comments, requests or updates you have, which will then notify our help desk so they can assist you accordingly. In the Details tab, you'll be able to view more details like who created it, the time it was created, etc. On the left tab under Closed Tickets, you'll be able to view your old tickets that have been closed, and then we will also have a Learning and Self-Help tab where we will be adding useful tips, advice and video guides. Under the Quotes tab, again depending on your permissions, you'll be able to view and update any quotes and will receive notifications here in the Notifications tab. You will also receive notifications based on as and when your ticket has been updated, along with a little red alert symbol here on the top right. Under the Useful Links tab, we have provided shortcuts to other services we've provided. For example, if you have Mimecast email security, you'll be able to click here and log in to gain access to your emails. To create a ticket, click on the Create Ticket tab. Click on the drop-down menu to choose what your request relates to. For most requests, you will have general questions to answer. However, if your issue is not listed, just click the General Support option. You can then type in your request here and click Submit once you're finished. You can then view your ticket back in the Open Tickets tab and see that it has been created. If anyone has any additional questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch at 01342 333 000 or drop us an email at helpdesk@kogo.co.uk.